to tell you on brick builds. I've improved the drawer from the last video, and there are some sinks inside these drawers. Let's see what's in the first drawer. This is my phone. Like, subscribe, and share. What's in the next one? There's some coins in here. Now what's in this one? There is a Fitbit watch here. There's nothing on the back side, and this is the newest edition. This is a fidget thing that attaches. You can spin this, rotate that, or look at these interlocking gears by spinning them. Or if you're not the guy for fidgets, you can take it out. And instead, if you have loads of unnecessary coins coming around, you can have this, which you again slot in the hole. And if you do want to put coins in, just have to take this part out, open the lid, get some coins, and now you can just put your coins in without any stress, because it's right next to you. Or if you really just want to build your own thing, you just have to build this. And to build it, you need a 1x4 with a plate and a smooth tile piece, or something that's smooth to go on top. Leave your 1x2 like that here. And you just want to duplicate it twice, so then you have 2 of these. And then just attach it to some kind of a base, like this. This one is made out of 2 1x6s and some plates on the top. So then you can literally just attach them and build whatever you want within certain dimensions. If you like this video, consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Bye!